One great secret for catering at home or for your friends is lemon zest. It's a beautiful finishing touch in appetizers as a garnish. It's great to put on top of dishes as a finished product, but it's also great in marinades, which is what we're going to do today. This is a fantastic tool. It's called a zester, and it's so easy to use. You start off with a very clean, big, firm lemon. You're going to take your zester firmly in your hand. You're going to start at one side of the lemon, and you're going to just drag that across in one firm, smooth stroke. And look at those gorgeous, gorgeous peels. Now, the smell is fantastic. It's got this fresh, brightening quality when you add it to foods and sauces. It also is a gorgeous finish to appetizers because it looks pretty. It tastes great. It just adds that little extra finish. Plus, when you're done zesting your lemon, you can cut it and slice it and use the juice to add to your marinade, which is what we're going to do today. See? Beautiful, simple, and quick. Lemon zest.